In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your account, find the right place to work, add the timeline view, customize it to match your needs, and quickly schedule work by dragging and dropping tasks onto specific dates. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in. Give yourself a moment to land in the correct workspace so you're looking at the right team, space, or project. If you use multiple spaces or folders, navigate to the area where your work actually lives. This ensures the timeline you create reflects the tasks you want to plan, not a blank or unrelated section. Next, click on the specific task or the task area you want to visualize. Think of this as choosing the home for your timeline. If your tasks are organized in a particular list or folder, go there so the timeline view attaches to that context. This way your view will display the tasks that matter for this project and keep everything neatly grouped where your team already works. Now click Add View. You'll usually find this at the top of your task area alongside other views like List or Board. Adding a view doesn't change your tasks. It simply gives you a new lens to plan and understand them. If you like, you can name the view something clear like Project Timeline to make it easy to find later. From the list of view types, select Timeline. The moment you choose it, ClickUp will lay out your tasks across a horizontal date bar. You'll see time flowing left to right, with tasks represented as bars that show their duration. If your tasks already have start or due dates, they'll appear in place. If not, you'll add those in the next step. Here, feel free to customize everything so the timeline fits how you work. Adjust the date range to focus on a week, a month, or a full quarter. Change the zoom level for more or less detail. Filter by assignee, priority, or status to reduce noise. Choose how tasks are grouped to make workload, teams, or phases easier to read. You can also toggle elements like weekends or colors to highlight what's most important. Finally, drag and drop your task onto a specific date. Click a taskbar to move it, and drag its edges to set precise start and due dates. This updates the task schedule instantly. If things feel crowded, zoom in for finer control. Use this to sequence work, resolve overlaps, and keep your plan realistic. That's it. Your timeline is ready to guide execution and keep everyone aligned.